Welcome to Ignite Bites. This is Christina Foxwell, and in today's segment we're talking about accountability. It's a crazy word, accountability, and I think for a lot of us when we hear the term be more accountable, you might freeze up. I want to give you a few tips and techniques today about accountability so that you can free yourself. The very first tip is own what you own, see what you see, and I'll explain this a little bit more in detail. When we've got to be accountable, we've often got to have a look at that situation, not just from our perspective, but from others' perspectives too, because that helps us to not just see it, but it helps us to step into owning our part in that situation, realizing. So the first step is to see it, get perspective. The second step is to own your part in that situation, because ownership takes courage. And ownership takes vulnerability, because sometimes it means I might not have dealt with that situation as best I could, okay? Then I want you to brainstorm as many ideas as possible to find solutions, to make a better world, to find a better way to do things. And the last thing I need you to do is to take action and follow through. Once again, that takes courage. So let's talk about accountability. If you need to be more accountable in your workplace, for your life, for situations. If you're finding you're blaming other people, you're not being accountable. If you find you're dodging situations, you're not being accountable. And accountability is a vulnerable choice. It starts with you, and when you can start being more accountable to take your part in any situation, you will free yourself to be the better version of yourself. I want to charge you today, go for it, be accountable. Learn what you can and be the better version of yourself. It's been wonderful to spend time with you today. Live an accountable life. Ignite Bites.